So hi guys, welcome to Dr. JDS projects. So this video helpful for the digital image processing toolbox with different applications. So this concept is related to your machine learning projects and deep learning and AI based applications. So before the 2023 year, so we have to do different applications with little bit data sets. Nothing but it is a below hundreds of the images we have. The based on the data set we have to implement and optimize the particular applications. Now the data is more because of thousands of images in single data set. So and also the GitHub and Koggle, it is helpful for the, it's a bunch of data available in your Google websites. So that data set is applied for the any machine learning algorithm for the previous techniques. It is very slow process and time taken, and efficiency also it's a below 70% of the output. Now our machine learning algorithms with the deep learning process with the help of some advanced algorithms and classifiers and clustering techniques and enhancement techniques and KNN, RNN. So this type of algorithm process will help the good results and good accuracy, good reliability, as well as more number of data can optimize in single time. So for example, so how many ways to implement image processing projects? So that is the today topic. And the digital image processing means it will be the input image data set is basic step of pre-processing, and the ending step is post-processing. The input is image or videos. So here we have different applications like the first session is a first area, it is a digital image processing with biomedical applications. In the biomedical applications we have different areas, same as iris recognition, that is the retinopathy or else glaucoma detection, as well as and brain signals, that is the EEG, and heart rates, that is the ECG, and also bone segmentation, kidney segmentation, and blood cells recognition. And also it will be some applications will be tumor detection for the particular data sets, both grayscale and color images. So these are the main areas of the digital image processing techniques. As well as we have the another area is security. In the security analysis we have 3 to 4 steps only mainly. The first one is the fingerprint, nothing but it is a biometric applications, as well as face recognition. So now we have to optimize completely color images, live face detection by using MATLAB and both Python programming also. And also the abroad technology, that is palm, it is a complete hand with entire fingertips. So as well as iris recognition. So iris recognition is already implemented in advanced Apple phones and some advanced mobile phones also it is available. These are the security applications. And as well as visual surveillance applications, that is completely number plate detection, and also it will be helpful for the number plate detection. The particular number plates are not clear and it has some amount of noise also available. At the time we have to use different types of filter techniques, that is average filter, median filter, veneer filter, lossy, regularized, and homomorphic, bilateral, Kalman, and different types of filters to have use the particular techniques and to remove the some amount of noise in the particular image. Then we have to apply the any classifier techniques or any neural networks or any machine learning algorithms. So the next one is nothing but it is a image enhancement. So image enhancement is the major key role of the now 2024 projects. These are will help for the underwater image enhancement. So underwater image enhancement is more number of guys doing PhD works, and they are select the topics underwater images. These underwater images have more number of noise. It will be automatically added the particular frames. At that time, we have to remove the some amount of noise and to extract exact picture, nothing but it is a more enhanced picture. And also under background images, that is foreground is better than background, nothing but background have some amount of noise. At that time pictures also it will be not clear. And also we have to dehatching images. Dehatching nothing but it is a foggy images. So at the winter session and winter time it will be added more amount of fog in the particular frames. At that time we have to remove the particular noise and fog. This techniques is helpful for the autonomous vehicles for the future technology because of driverless cars, because of at the time the car is moving forward or backward based on the frames only. The advanced algorithms can predict the particular fog or noise to remove within time and give the clear picture of the particular cars or autonomous vehicles. So that is the major application for the future technology at the 2030 also. And also the machine learning algorithms is mainly concentrated with CBIR technique, that is content based image retrieval. This content based image retrieval, we have bunch of datasets, that is Google datasets and GitHub datasets, because of 10,000 images and 1 lakh images in the particular database. The thousands of images and lakhs of images in single folder, we can't predict one by one. At the time we use convolutional neural networks and random neural networks and clustering techniques and support vector machine classifiers. This type of techniques we have to use. At a time we got the output. Thus techniques are completely deep learning process only. That is, so for example I have 10 lakhs images in dog image and cat image and bird images. So to extract only dog image and which type of dog breed also I required. At that time we use deep learning with machine learning techniques. And also another data set city greenery, that nothing but it is a leaves and flowers and trees and some gardens and some sky. So this type of data set. And also we have to extract in a single image the entire data set. It is very helpful for the deep learning techniques and to detect the particular objects and particular images. And also the machine learning applications, it will be forgery detection. Now technology will upgrade day by day. So that is the reason we got the some tampered techniques also available in our market, because of very easy to tamper the particular original images, that is to create fake news and photoshops and some editing softwares also available for the market. So we don't know which is original image and which is fake image, nothing but it is a forgery image. At that time we have to use copy move forgery detection techniques, that is completely machine learning with a deep learning analysis, which part is copied, which part is moved and which part is forged and which part is tampered. So this type of forgery detection algorithms can predict the particular part and to extract the output, this is the tampered image or this is the original image, this type of, and to control the fake news and to control the fake posters in the future detection. So this is completely AI based application. And also military applications. So the major application is military, that is completely high security applications. So these applications have data hiding techniques for the grayscale images and color images, that is RGB, red, green, blue images, and also audio and also video also. So to hide the particular image or video in the particular frames or videos, and encryption is done, the data is sent to particular person, the person have some OTP generation or any key is available, that key is entered to the particular technique of the output. At that time the heading of the data is extracted to the particular person. So this is the completed data hiding techniques and watermarking analysis also. And also the last applications and few more applications are available, but major applications is nothing but it is object tracking. So object tracking also very important role in the image processing techniques. These objects are tracked by images also and also videos also. We are seeing the many more videos and movies. The particular thieves or any vehicle tracking, it is available image processing applications. This type of applications, it is helpful for the both MATLAB projects with the digital image processing toolbox and also OpenCV with the Python applications also. So these are the major areas we have to choose the applications and choose the area for the any scholars or any MTech projects or any academic projects in your career. So if you want any more details, so please let me know, so I will help you. Thank you guys, thank you so much.